Good afternoon. It's 13:20 hours, 20 minutes past 1 on Friday, 17th of April 2020. And I'm about to have lunch. It's a fruit salad, as you can see here. I have a slice of papaya, which I've cubed. I have honeydew melon, which I've cubed as well. I have pineapple, one slice of pineapple, which I've cubed. And it's colorful because I've also got 10 black grapes and 10 red grapes, okay? I just found out the variety of red grapes are red globe because they're seeded. Apparently only Asians would eat seeded red grapes, so they're all exported to Asia, particularly Japan. In the US and UK, nobody eats seeded grapes anymore. And in terms of table grapes, they only have seedless varieties there. So the seeded varieties all come to Asia because we don't mind eating the seeds. In fact, I like them. They're kind of crunchy and add an extra dimension of texture to my fruit salads. So on top of the fruits, those 4 fruits, I've added the juice of 1 lime. So this is the remaining rind here. 1 key lime, yes, and 1/3, the juice of 1/3 of a lemon. So this is the lemon rind here. So these 2 lemon rinds are going into my fruit juice, my immunity booster juice. Okay, coming back to my fruit salad, which is this. I'm going to add this stuff, okay. Apparently the daily limit for this stuff is 30 grams, which is about 3 tablespoons. So I put 1 heaped tablespoon there, and then I'm going to put 1 heaped tablespoon of sunflower kernels as well. Oh, I should have put my chaat masala first. I've forgotten. By the way, I made this chaat masala at the end of last month, and I finished about 2/3 of it already. That's how nice it is. I use very generous sprinklings of this chaat masala because it just tastes so lovely. And you should smell it. The aroma is out of this world. Like I said, and I always say, the chaat masala takes your fruit salads, or take my fruit salad certainly to the next level. Okay, I've got I think I've perfected the recipe. The dominant flavor should be cardamom and cloves, and then put amla powder as well for the antioxidant boost. So that will be lovely. So that's it. That's going to be my lunch for today, or at least the first 2 courses of my lunch. Actually, no, the juice, I'm going to drink 250 ml each time. So I've got a new glass here. It's not my usual 400 ml glass. It's a smaller glass. It takes 250 ml. So I'm going to drink this 1 glass an hour. Okay, because you don't want to take too many nutrients at one time, because the body has a limit to how much it can absorb at any one time. So if you stagger it and drink 250 an hour, that would give the body ample chance to absorb the nutrients rather than to excrete it as waste. Okay, I learned this from a video I saw about a patient who went to the True North Center in Santa Rosa, California, and he said he was cured of his various illnesses, including, I think, bladder cancer. And one of the treatments he did was to drink fruit juice, 250 ml an hour for the whole day long. Okay, every hour he drinks 250 ml. So I thought that would make sense, so I'm adopting that protocol now. Okay, so that's it for my lunch today. April 17, Friday, 2020. This is my very colorful fruit salad, 4-fruit salad for today, Friday, April 17, 2020. And as I mentioned earlier, I've got papaya, pineapple, honeydew melon, 2 types of grapes which count as 1 fruit. I have red grapes, red globe, as well as black grapes. I've got lashings of my chaat masala, the juice of 1/3 of lemon and 1 whole key lime, and a sprinkling of a heaped tablespoon of hemp seeds, and another heaped tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my lunch now, and I'll let you know the verdict once I'm done with it. But I know it's gonna taste awesome. In fact, it's such an explosion of colors. It's such a colorful what do you call it, fruit salad. In fact, what I'll do is I'll give it a stir so that you can see the colors better. Okay, it's very colorful. The light color is from the honeydew melon and the pineapple, the papaya, the red papaya, and the red grapes, and the darkness of the black grapes, and okay, so that's it. Let me enjoy this, and I'll give you the verdict a little later. As usual, that was excellent. It was very nice. It's as expected. Okay, you can never fail if you put chaat masala in your fruit salads. It's really great. Another thing I want to mention about the chaat masala was in connection with my immunity booster juice earlier, which I didn't put any black pepper or white pepper. Usually I put some pepper in so that the body is able to absorb the curcumin from the turmeric more easily. So what happens is, because of the taste profile of the honeydew and the jicama and the pineapple, I decided not to put pepper there. But not to worry, because one of the ingredients in my chaat masala is black pepper. So I've got some black pepper in there that would help me absorb the curcumin from the turmeric in my immunity booster juice today. So that's it for my lunch today, Friday, April 17, 2020. We've had about a month of lockdown now, so another 2 weeks or so to go.